How's it going? I have a private day this weekend. It's currently Tuesday, and I figured I would get a head start on this since I'm not just doing the basic nut and bolt check. I got these from SRS Concepts, which if you don't know what they are, they're steering rack spacers. What they do pretty much is give the car just a little bit more angle without an angle kit. I have stock angle in the car right now, but I also have a Z3 rack, which is a lot faster, so when I'm drifting, I kind of have to think faster than the rack. I just snap to stock angle instantly, and I'm curious to see how much these will help. Hopefully for these rack spacers, it'll be a little bit of a review. I know it won't be like an angle kit difference, but you know, for something that's like 20 bucks, it's worth a try just for the time being, so let's do it. So Big Dum Dum over here didn't record any of the installation process of these, but pretty much these spacers replace the lock washers on the tie rods. It's an easy installation if you have the proper tools and strength. It's so scary. Here's the car at full lock before the rack spacers, and then here's after. Alright, the drift event is tomorrow. I just got off of work and we are going to my friends at the Tragic shop to, if you need some tires mounted, hit them up on Instagram right here and they'll hook you up.
Come on, bitch. That was embarrassing.
Please?
Come on.
Oh.
You can do it.
Oh my god. I got the brand new waterfalls mounted. I'm excited to try these out. I heard they're a lot of fun and kick up a lot of smoke, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I just made it to the track. It feels really nice out. Like, there's a nice breeze. It's not raining. Knock on wood. We're gonna unload the car and then just start ripping it. Never mind. I unloaded the car and it got extremely hot out. But there's a nice breeze, so at least that's there.
Ooh,
Ah! Umbrella girls. We're about 3 hours in, and they are almost done. had a little bit, but I'm skating out there. That alignment's pretty good though. Jasper! Come here, buddy! Jasper's going for a ride! No! GoPro working with 8 minutes left, so.
Stop doing that. No. No. Focus! Focus! I'm fired!
We're on our way home. I got the little guy with me. All right, so I just made it home. Fiona took it like a champ today. So with the rack spacers, I did notice a pretty significant difference, like even first lap out. I spent most of the day just trying to learn my limit and where full lock would be now. It's enough of a difference to make you have to adapt to it. If you guys want to get them, I will link the ones that I got down below. It's a great, easy, affordable option just to get a little more angle from your car without completely breaking the bank. Obviously, I'll get an actual angle kit down the road, but for the time being, you know, it does the job. So let's talk about those tires I was running initially. So I tried out the waterfalls. I loved how much smoke they put out, but they are super grippy. These were also my first set of brand new tires that I've drifted on before, so I can't be the one to judge tires yet, but they are a smoke show, so that's my 2 cents on that. I'm going to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new, hi, I'm Kate, and I drift that thing. I have a lot of plans for the future with this car, so make sure you guys don't miss out on it. Like I said in my first video, this is only the beginning, so I'm excited to take you guys along for the journey. I don't know how to end a video. Peace!